Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the alpha trade, and in this video I want to share a very powerful strategy with you guys, a strategy that will change the way you trade the market. Okay, this indicator combination is very powerful. It's very powerful. Now if I proceed, I'd like you guys to subscribe to this channel if you are new. If you've not subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with your friends also. Now if you want to join my Telegram channel, there is a link below in the description box right below this video. Just use the link and join the Telegram channel. Okay, now let's go straight into the business of the day. Now look at these guys. We have two indicators here: the moving average, the stochastic oscillator and the RSI. Those are the two indicators we have here. Now I want you to pay close attention to what I'm going to say now. I'm going to show you guys the setup along the line. I'm going to show you guys the setup. Okay, how to trade this strategy is very simple. Once the RSI crosses above this level 70, once it crosses above the level 70, you get ready to enter your trade, but you don't enter yet. Okay, you don't enter yet. Now what do? You wait for the stochastic oscillator, which is the red line here, to cross above the same level. Okay, once it crosses the level, then you are ready to enter. You can enter your trade. Okay, that's how it is done. Once it has crossed this level upwards, anytime you meet it around here, you can enter your position, even if it's here or here. As long as it's still above here, you can enter your trade, guys. That was what I did. I actually entered the trade here. This way I entered it, and you can see I got hit by this short spike. It was after this spike hit me, I decided to turn it into a video. I decided to make the video now because some of you get caught by a spike and you feel it's the end of the world, you just close it. But if you are sure of the strategy you are using, guys, you know that there is if you are trading in normal market, maybe volatility indices or currency pairs, you know that most time you enter, you get a little what do you call it, a little drawdown before the market continues going in your favor. That's what happens here. The drawdown for boom and crash is spike. It comes in form of spike. As long as you're trading against spike, the drawdown comes in form of spike. So when this short one hits you, yeah, it's a little drawdown. You have to wait and still hold. Now I'm still holding, and you can see actually what is happening here. You can see it. You can see it's back in my favor and it's continuing. So as soon as you see what do you call these indicators at the overbought level here, you make your sell. Okay, this strategy is for trading the short candles. So you make your sell and you hold, and this works for small account and big account. This is a small account, as you can see, and I'm using the strategy to grow it. Okay, now once that is done, you will also you just wait for it to play out. You can decide to take few candles and leave, but for me, I have to wait for this RSI to come to this line, this what do you call it, this 30 line here. Yeah, I have to wait for it to come. That's the way I do it. But if you are so afraid, you can just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles and you leave. Okay, so let me show you guys other places where it worked. Look at it here. I said the RSI should come above this line. Okay, as soon as it crosses above it, you wait. You now wait for this stochastic oscillator to cross above. So as soon as the stochastic oscillator crosses above, you make your entry. It's not, you are not looking at this cross here. No, that's not what we're looking at. We are looking at this stochastic oscillator crossing above this line. Okay, then you make your entry. You see, you'd have made all this profit. That is as simple as that. You can use any zoom level of your choice. For instance, here, as long as you can see it, you can use it. Okay, but me, I will not use this zoom level because I can't see anything here. So I can come to the second zoom level. I try to come to the second zoom level. I can't even use it because it's still not clear for me. So the third zoom level, that just it for me. Third zoom level is okay for me. That's what I do. Okay, so as the both indicators, as this RSI come over here, you wait for this one. As this one comes over here, you make your entry, you sell, and you're taking your profit. 5 candles were out. If you are too afraid, otherwise you can hold and wait till the RSI comes to this level, then you can close. Okay, that is it. Looking for another example. Okay, this is another example. At this point, this one came over here. You now wait for the RSI came over to the overbought zone. So you now wait for the stochastic oscillator. Okay, now if you had entered at this cross, this spike would have hit you, but here it crossed, and then you would have still delayed a little while delaying to see very well this spike will happen, and then you enter a trade, and then you see you'd have made your profits all the way here. So that's it. It works really, guys. And even if a spike hits you, you are still going to recover from it as long as you're using this strategy. If a spike hits you, you are still going to recover from it. Just like here, a spike hit us somewhere here, right? The spike hit us somewhere here. So we would have also held and recover from it. This is it. Exactly what I did now. The spike hits me, I held and recovered. This is another example. You can see this is where this one crossed here, and this one, you wait for the stochastic oscillator also to cross. As soon as both of them cross above the level 70, you make your entry and you are making your profit. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. So okay, let's see crash. Let's see crash and know if it works on crash. Let's see maybe crash 500 or anyone at all. Okay, this is crash 500. It's really crashing here. Okay, so for crash 500, how we do is that we wait for the both indicators also to come to the oversold zone. So for the boom, it's overbought, but for crash, it's oversold. Look at it here. It has come to the this one has come to the oversold zone here. Then you wait for the stochastic oscillator. As it comes to the oversold zone, you take your buy. As you buy, this is it. You have made your profit. Okay. So if you are taking 5 candles, you have taken 5 candles here before the spike happened. But if you are taking more, look at it. You have also waited. This RSI would have gone to the level 70 and you're already out. That's it. But even if the spike hits you, you would have still made your profit. That's it. It's as simple as that, guys. As simple as that. Now this one is already here. Both of them have come to the oversold level. Okay, so this is a small account I'm building. I don't have enough free margin. Otherwise, I would have entered the trade. Okay, so when you're building a small account, you take little risk. Okay, not too much risk to avoid blowing up your accounts. Okay, so this because nothing is 100% here. Nothing works 100%. Look at it here. You can see. Okay, so this is for crash. This crash 500 now. You can see how it crossed below here. You can see how it crossed below here. You can see what happened. You would have made your profit up to this end. You would have made your profit. So much of profit. Okay. This is it. Now it's you'd have made your profit is that powerful, guys. Now this is another example here. Price came over. This one came over here. The RSI came down here, and you waited for stochastic. As it comes down here, you buy, and you buy and make your profit as well. So it's as simple as that, guys. This is another example. Here is stochastic oscillator, and the RSI are both at the oversold level. Then you make your entry, and you are cashing out big time. Look at it here also. This is it from here. Both of them are below. Both indicators are below the what do you call it, the 30 level. So you buy and you have cashed out. This would have been your final take profit if you have to hold long. So that'll be your final take profit. Okay, but more advisably, just 5 candles. 5 candles. Look at it also here. If you're taking 5 candles by now, you're out before the spike. So that is how it is, guys. That's how it is. So guys, I'm showing you the setup for the indicators now. The setup is what I'm showing you now. You have stochastic and relative strength index. So this is setting for the stochastic oscillator. The levels. Relative strength index. This is set up here. Just that. Okay. Screenshot it and set and use it on your own chart. So please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box right below this video. Thank you, guys. This is the Alpha Trade saying to you, never quit, because it can only get better.